Hi everyone, I'm here with 3 minutes Photoshop. In this video we learn how to apply any pattern to clothes. Instead of using eraser tool, make a copy of the background with Ctrl J. With quick selection tool, select the area of the clothes where you want to apply the pattern. Add a layer mask to the duplicate layer. Open your pattern image, press Ctrl A, then Ctrl C. In model image, press Ctrl V. Blend mode, choose multiply. In pattern image, right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. I hope you enjoyed this video.